Hi, I'm Felipe Alvarez, and today we're gonna talk about legal operations first steps. Let's start with a simple truth. Most in-house legal teams today are overwhelmed. They deal with contracts, compliance, vendors, and risk, yet they're still expected to do more with less. That's where legal operation comes in. Legal operation isn't about replacing lawyers. It's about helping them operate smarter. It's the bridge between law and business performance. A strong legal ops function redesigns how legal work flows. It standardizes processes, centralizes data, measures results, and connects legal with the rest of the company. Think of it like this. When every request, contract, or approval follows a clear workflow, nothing gets lost in the inbox. You get visibility, you get accountability, you get speed. And suddenly, legal stops being a bottleneck. It becomes a business partner. That's the essence of legal operations. It's not about lawyers doing less law. It's about lawyers doing law better, supported by systems, automation, and data. Whether you are an in-house counsel, a paralegal, or a legal ops professional, your mission is the same. Make legal work measurable, predictable, and scalable. Imagine your legal team tracking every legal request in one place with automatic dashboards that show exactly where time and effort go. That's not just about productivity, it's clarity, and clarity is power. Legal operation turns legal from reactive to strategic. So, the next time someone asks what legal operation is, tell them this. It's the business side of law, the engine that keeps the legal department running efficiently so lawyers can focus on what truly matters. In your next episode, we'll explore the 12 pillars that define legal ops maturity and how to decide where your team should start. See you soon. Bye bye.